In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a fraction into decimal and decimal into percentage, or percentage into decimal and into fraction. What is the method how we can do it? Let's see how we can do it. For example, we have a decimal number which is 0.5. First of all, we have to convert into fraction, after that into percentage. Look at carefully. 0.5. Now I am going to change the place of decimal point. You know that 2 is equal to 2 over 1. Every whole number has every number has 1 as a denominator. Okay, so it has 1 as a denominator. Now I am going to change the place of decimal point. So what I'm going to do, you know that 2 is equal to 2.0. It's mean that every number has a decimal. Every whole number has a decimal point on the right side, whole number. Now I am going to change the decimal point of this, the decimal point. Okay, so I have to shift it to the right side of the 5. It's mean that after one digit I shift the decimal point to the right side. For that reason I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 10. And how it will happen, how this 10 will make it possible, you have to watch my video in my channel. The playlist name is Basic Term of Mathematics. Okay, now I have to multiply it with 10, so the decimal point will shift to the right side of 5, so it will become 5 and the denominator will become 10. Okay, so now this is a fraction. Okay, a fraction has numerator and denominator, so I will write it here, 5/10. Now this 5/10, I have to make it a percentage. How I am going to do it? I will make the denominator 100. You know that percentage has the denominator 100. Okay, so I'm going to make it 100. For that reason I have to multiply also the numerator with 10, so it will become 50 and the denominator will become 100. And now if any fraction has denominator 100, so the numerator is the percentage. Now it is 50%. 50%. Okay, now another question, we have to convert this 10% into fraction and into decimal. Okay, we have 10% and I said that a percentage which has 100, the numerator is a fraction which has 100, the numerator will be the percentage. So you know that 10%, what does it mean? Okay, it's mean that 10 over 100. So now it is percentage, fraction. So I will write is a fraction. If you want to simplify it, then simplify it. Okay, now for decimal I have to remove the 100 from here. Well, I have to remove the 100 from the denominator. Okay, so what will I do? I will divide it by 100 and also this by 100. When you divide a number by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, so the decimal point which is present here normally 10 with, it will goes to, how many zeros are here? 2 0. So the decimal point will goes to the left side, and after 2 digit you will add the decimal point. So this will become 0.10 and this will become 1. You know that now I do not have to write the 1 because it's I converted it into decimal, so it is 0.1. Okay, now I will write it 0.1. Okay, now we have 9 over 10, and I have to convert into a decimal. Okay, 9 over 10. For decimal, I have to remove this 10 from here. Okay, so 9 over 10 divide by 10 and divide by 10. The decimal point will shift to the left side after one digit. It will become 0.9. Okay, so I will write it 0.9. Now this fraction, now I have to convert into percentage. You know that percentage also is a fraction. Okay, so I will increase this 10 and I will make it 100 by multiply 10, and also this multiply 10, 90 over 100, and the numerator will be the percentage if you have 100 in the denominator. Okay, so this will become 90%. Now 1.05, how you will convert into fraction and into percentage? 1.05. Okay, first of all, I have to remove the decimal point from here. For that reason, I will multiply it with 100 and also the denominator with 100. So it will become 150 over 100. Now this is also a fraction. Okay, a fraction. So I will write it as a fraction 150 over 100, and as a percentage you have 150% because the denominator is 100.